Hello guys, welcome back to Rencia Kitchen. So in today's video we are going to make some salad. These are the ingredients I will be needing for this salad. Some lettuce leaf already chopped, some tomatoes chopped, and my red onions is already chopped, some cucumber, egg, some green beans and some green peas, carrots and some fish. You can also add lemon juice if you are a fan of lemon, but for me I don't like lemon juice because it disturbs me so much in my tummy. So let's get into the business of the day to see how I added everything.